Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my chicken biryani drumsticks. This is awesome, really budget and easy to do. Okay, into a bowl I've added around about 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of garam masala. Alright, put all of that in. I'm going to add in about half a teaspoon's worth of ground turmeric as well, which gives it that real nice colour. I'm going to add maybe just a little dash more because I just felt like it. Okay, so I'm also going to add in around about 2 teaspoons worth of garlic and 2 teaspoons worth of ginger paste. That's going to go in as well. Really, really simple. Okay, nice and easy to do, and I use the paste because it's going to work well with this particular marinade. Give all of that a bit of a stir, just like that, and I'm going to add in 1 cup of Greek yogurt or thereabouts, and just mix all of that through just like I'm doing right there, and that is going to be our marinade, and it really tenderizes our chicken. Right, 1.5 kilos worth of chicken drumsticks. I've just bought those from my local supermarket. Okay, they can go straight in, and we're going to give these all a really good toss. Now I'm going to marinate these for around about 24 hours. So this is a dish that you want to think ahead with, alright? And every now and then come back, give them all a bit of a stir through, alright? So marinate those for 24 hours. Now I'm going to be using my electric fry pan, which I have not used for, I kid you not, probably 5 years. And I'm just going to add a little bit of butter in there, just like that. You can use a, you can do this in the oven, you can do this on the stove top. I'm just using my electric fry pan because it's got a real nice surface area to it. I'm going to add in 2 brown onions that I've given a rough dice to. Okay, they can go in, and I'm going to let those cook off in the butter. Now if you want to use ghee, you most certainly can. I'm just using butter. It's what I've got in the cupboard at the time. I'm not going to go out and buy a jar of ghee to cook one dish. Alright, get those nice and translucent like that, and I'm going to set those aside. Okay, just like that. And the smell of onions and butter or ghee is just amazing. Right, a little bit more butter that can go in. As you can see, we've got a little bit too much heat there. Don't worry, we're going to help that butter to not burn by adding a little bit of peanut oil to it, and we're going to wait for all of that to melt and heat up. Now our drumsticks, they can go straight in. We're going to keep this at a sort of medium high heat so we get a bit of brownage happening on our drumsticks. We want that skin to get a little bit of color. Yes, they will stick a little bit, especially in a stainless steel pan like this, but don't worry, we'll deglaze that and we'll get all that schmutz off the bottom in no time at all. So just put your drumsticks in, get them nice and browned off, as you can see what we're doing right there, and already that marinade is smelling incredible. And if you haven't tried making your own biryani before, it's not that hard. It is so simple to do, and the taste is definitely worth it. And this dish would serve 4 people quite easily, and we're going to do it for around about $10. Add our onion back in just like that, really nice and simple, and that's going to add another level of flavour again. Now all that marinade that we've got left over, let's not waste it. Let's just get all of that, scrape it all out using a little kitchen scraper like I'm doing there, and get all of that back into that fry pan. It's really good flavour. That zinginess of the yogurt is perfect. Add 1 cup's worth of chicken stock. That can go in. As you can see, we're really rapidly going bananas with the heat. That's going to help get all that schmutz off the bottom of the pan. Just give that a little bit of a stir through with your tongs or a spoon, just like I'm doing there, and we're going to turn that heat right down to a nice little simmer. Now here's a real cool little cheat. I'm going to use a packet of microwave basmati rice. It will cost you a couple of dollars, but definitely worth it. Break all of that through, just like that, and I'm going to let this cook through with the lid on, and nice and slow, and for around about an hour, and that rice is going to absorb all of those beautiful flavors that we've put in. How good does that look? Alright, all we have to do now is serve this up. We don't need much in the way of accompaniments or any extra herbage or whatever, but I am going to add a little bit of green and a little bit of goodness to this. Right, so we're just going to serve this up in a bowl, just like that. Serve up some rice, serve up some drumsticks. Okay, just like that. Oh, how good does that look? And that chicken is so tender, believe me. And it even tastes better the next day. I'm going to add some spinach leaves, baby spinach leaves over the top, just for a little bit of extra healthiness and colour, and also just gives you a different texture. I'd love to see you try and make this one at home. It is really easy and really inexpensive to do. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you don't like this video, hit that like button. Just please hit that like button, it really helps the algorithm. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. I love reading, love responding to them, and I respond to every single comment ever left. Believe me, I spend my time doing that. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make a really nice, easy, quick Indian-inspired meal just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family. My family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my chicken drumstick biryani, and I will catch you next time. Bye.